The Mainstays 3-shelf bookcase is the ideal solution for both storage and displaying your treasured collections. With 2 fully adjustable shelves, this bookcase features a contemporary style that blends into the decor of many homes. Assembly typically takes an hour, and all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver and hammer. We recommend working on a protected surface, such as a carpet or cardboard, to prevent scratching. Don't use power tools, as this can damage the unit. And don't move the unit until it is fully assembled. Now let's get started. Lay out parts A1 and B1 with the holes facing up and the finished edges facing inward. The cam bolts have a large outer ring to indicate when to stop screwing. Screw 4 cam bolts into the holes at the ends of B1. Screw 4 more cam bolts into the holes at the ends of A1. Lay out one of the 2-part C2s with the holes facing up. The cam locks have an arrow that should be pointed in the same direction as the hole on the side of the shelf. This is the unlocked position. Press 4 cam locks into these 4 holes. Lay out the second part C2 with the holes facing up. Press 4 cam locks into these 4 holes. Now, lay out part E2 with the holes facing up. Using your hammer, gently tap 3 compression dowels into the 3 holes on part E2. The compression dowels should be roughly halfway into each hole. Finally, connect parts E2 and C2. Make sure the unfinished side faces into the shelf. Stand part A1 on its side with the unfinished edge facing up. Now, stand the top shelf, which is one of the part C2s, on its side with the unfinished edge facing up, and slide the cam bolts into the cam locks. Lock the cams by screwing the locks clockwise until you feel resistance. Stand the bottom shelf, the other part C2, on its side with the unfinished edge facing up. Slide the cam locks into the cam bolts and lock in place. Stand part B1 on its side with the unfinished edge facing up. Slide the cam locks into the cam bolts on both part C2s. Lock all 4 cams. Place part F over the assembled unit and line up the top and side edges. Using the notches as a guide, hammer 5 nails along the 4 edges. Don't move the unit until completely assembled. Lightly hammer floor protectors into A1 and B1, approximately ½ an inch from edge. Stand the bookcase up against the wall of its intended location. Insert 4 shelf supports at your preferred height and slide the shelf onto the support. Repeat for the other shelf. Congratulations! Your Mainstays 3-shelf bookcase is fully assembled and ready to use.